Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage in Etihad Airways. It's pretty simple process, so you need to just follow these steps mentioned in this video properly. First, you have to go to the Etihad's official website, that is etihad.com. Then hover over to the Manage menu, and here at the extra section, you will find extra baggage, third option from the top. Now click on this extra baggage. You will land on a dedicated page for extra baggage. From here you can find some important information related to extra baggage policy and the costing. Here you can find costings from every country, every continent, and here you can find these African countries, the Asian countries, Australian and European also. From here, choose your origin to calculate the costing of extra baggage. From the top of the switch, you will find a button named by extra baggage. Click on this button. Then here you need to enter your booking reference or ticket number that are included in your ticket, or also you need to enter your last name as same as mentioned in the ticket. Then click on this find my booking. Then just because of I don't have any flight tickets right now, that's why I'm not able to show you how it works. You can just go there and enter the location from where you want to take flight and the destination, and select the weight of your extra baggage and add your payment for the extra baggage. That's how you can add extra baggage in your Etihad Airlines. Also, at the bottom of this page you will find some informative FAQs from where you can clear some confusions if you have so. That's all. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.